Good day everyone, my name is Rex Magdaluyo from Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering 1A. Ngayon naman, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions. Ang problem natin ay find dy over dx if y is equals to r cosine negative 1 x squared. Maraming formula ang inverse trigonometric functions at ang napili ko yung r cosine. Ang formula ng r cosine ay d over dx cosine negative 1 u is equals to negative 1 over the square root of 1 minus u squared times du over dx. I-substitute na natin siya. dy over dx is equals to 1 over 1 minus x squared. Ito ang ating u. X squared. Ito siya. At x squared times the derivative of x squared is the derivative of x squared. Magiging negative 1 over square root of 1 minus x. Magiging 4 na siya kasi tinimes natin. To the power of 4 times 2x ang derivative ng x squared. Negative 1 times 2x is equals to negative 2x over, ikakopy lang natin yun siya, 1 minus x to the power of 4. At ito na ang ating sagot.